The Camera Rescue Project has found and diagnosed over 70,000 cameras in the last 9 years, starting from 1 camera a day in the beginning to over 100 cameras a day in the last 4 months. We have learned so much during these 9 years that it is now time to share it. Why would we share secrets that have taken years to learn? Well, there are 2 reasons. First, we have no time to waste. In Europe alone, there are over 100 million film cameras unused, but the amount is diminishing by the day as 99% of the people do not care for analog photography. We have toured 8 European countries, from cellars to castles, but our project is not nearly fast enough. We will need around 2 million working cameras in Europe to keep the current level of analog photography services in the future. The second reason is that we failed in our first attempt. First, we aim to reach our goal of rescuing 100,000 cameras by the end of 2020 by creating an app that would facilitate it. The point we have at the rescue center is to move masses of cameras, to get them to new people. Sadly, we have failed to get the app broad enough and practical enough to be released, and we are running out of time and money developing it. Instead of an app, we aim to trust the community with our know-how and let you guys bear the fruit for the next generations. That's why we would like to do the Camera Rescue Basic course. The course would consist of around 15 video classes with accompanying articles on how you can rescue cameras. It would be a sort of masterclass on working with film cameras. You can read more about it on the crowdfunding page, but simplifying it, there will be 2 kinds of content. The vast majority of the content will be free to access for the whole community on YouTube, and hopefully that will get a lot of cameras from people's neighborhoods back into circulation for the analog community. The second part will be paid content, which will focus on giving the people that trust this course with their money a real return on investment. If this crowdfunding passes, I am super excited to show you how to properly check a camera and get your knowledge of cameras into a much higher level. Thank you for sharing and caring and being a part of this.